Welcome, dear friends who are passionate about travel. Today we explore a fairy tale land in Italy, Alberobello. The small town in the Puglia region is an authentic place that gives you a unique and pleasant feeling. A walk through Alberobello gives you the feeling that you have arrived in a fairy tale childhood land. The roofs of the houses have the shape of an ice cream cone, with certain symbols painted on them. Their purpose was to ward off demons and bring good luck to the inhabitants. The city is permanently inhabited like any city where life goes on normally. In 1996, Alberobello was included in the UNESCO Heritage List due to its 1,500 Trulli houses. Trulli in Latin means dom. If in the past they served as homes for the workers of the vineyards in the region, today the cottages delight the gaze of tourists. Alberobello quickly gained popularity in the world for its uniqueness. You are in an open-air museum. For a long time, the common conception of Trulli as an expression of poverty and backwardness persisted. This conception led to the demolition of hundreds of Trulli constructions outside the areas declared monuments in favor of modern buildings. Between 1909 and 1936, parts of Alberobello were protected by designation as heritage monuments. Alberobello is a great place to visit, just an hour away from Bari. Sensation is very pleasant to wander its streets and enjoy its fairy tale atmosphere. Until next time, all the best.